Morning. Okay, it's been a while since I've been on here, but I just figured I would do a couple of topics since we do have our upcoming test, which will be next Monday, in review for the periodic table. So, again, this is our periodic table. This is beautiful in someone's notebook. Again, my groups go up and down, okay? My periods go side to side. Now, what do the groups have in common? They have the same valence electrons. So anytime you look at the top of the group, that number that's at the top of the group also represents the number of valence electrons that they have. For when you go left to right, the atomic size of the atom decreases. Also, you're adding one atomic number when you go left to right. So those are things that they have in common. Also, chemical and physical properties are also the same throughout the periodic table, especially when you go from left to right. So, just a review on that. Now, let's get into compounds and molecules. So, this is the new thing that we're going to be learning this week. And we started it last week, but we're going to go ahead in more detail today. So, main thing I want you to keep in mind is, like I talked about last week, is that you want to think about a compound like Mickey Mouse. I love Mickey Mouse. Hopefully you do. Disney's always fun. But again, think of it as Mickey Mouse, ears and the face. So if you look here, right, so this would be Mickey. Okay, this is an example of water, right? I have my two hydrogens at the top and my oxygen at the bottom, right? We talked about that in class, but this is so you actually see it. Now, a compound has two or more different elements that are chemically bonded together. As you can see here, there's two different, one oxygen and you have hydrogen, okay? Now a molecule is different. A molecule is a little bit easier. A molecule just has two of the same, right? So it's like I'm removing Mickey's face and I just have two of the same guys here. So I'd make H2, which is a gas, right? So I have two of the same that are always chemically bonded. That's an example of a molecule. So those are the two things that I need you guys to understand for the week. We'll get into mixtures later on in the week. But other than that, that's your main concept for today. Thanks.